A freaking plane as I'm doing my intro. Yo, what's good, y'all? This your girl Drea Rose bringing you guys another video, and today I am gonna be eating some WHATABURGER. It is the first WHATABURGER here in Georgia, so I am pretty damn excited. So I want to tell you guys the whole deal with that. It was honestly a mess trying to get this food. But first, let me go ahead and just open everything. Damn, and they gave me a giant ass cup. Look how huge this damn cup is. Let's go ahead and try this Coke Zero. Pretty good, pretty good. It doesn't taste like a Diet Coke. Grill? Who said grill? My receipt says grill, and I did not ask for grill. Anyways, I got my order right here, I got a couple of things, as you guys can see. So let me just take everything out. 1 napkin, 2 napkins for all this food, really? So in the first bag, we have some fries. I was gonna try one, but let me take everything out first. What is this? Damn, this shit heavy. Look at this. I got some onion rings. This is the chicken burger, and this is the triple meat. This shit is so heavy. Oh, and I got some sauces. I got jalapeno ranch and creamy pepper sauce. They sound really good. They actually have several sauces, but I was like, I think these are the best ones. So let's open these and let's just smell them first. So I don't know if this restaurant is like all over the world or like in every state. I can't get this open. But really, they had the little flap and I just ripped the whole thing off. But yeah, I don't know if they have this restaurant everywhere, but they didn't have it in Georgia. And apparently this restaurant comes from Texas. We finna see what Texas got going on with their fast food burger joints. Oh, okay, this one did work. Wow. It almost tastes like a salad dressing. But damn, that's spicy. That is really good. So this is the jalapeno ranch. Oh my god! No! Dang. I need to be careful. I'm over here trying to show you guys. And this is the creamy pepper sauce. It looks pretty good too. Let's try it. Wow, their friggin' dipping sauces are really good. Man, this thing is so heavy to grab. I wish I had a smaller size. Before the fries get cold, let me go ahead and just try it. I'm gonna dip it in some ranch, jalapeno ranch. Alright, I'm gonna dip this in the creamy pepper. The fries do taste better on the jalapeno ranch sauce. Oh, and I also got some onion rings. So let me go ahead and try that first, because I got some creamy pepper. They're not as crunchy anymore because it has been like 20 minutes since I ordered. They're good though. The batter The flavor's really good. I just, you know, wish they were crispy. Mmm. Mmm. Okay, let's open this. God damn! So this is the triple meat WHATABURGer. Y'all, look how huge this is. Like, oh my god. Oh damn. Oh my god, I'm doing a mess here. So this is the triple meat WHATABURGer. It has 3 patties. It has mustard, it has pickles, it has tomato and lettuce. Cheers, guys. So, interesting. It's good. It's not bad. But the meat really tastes like any other burger joint here. There's nothing crazy about it. Oh, and I just realized this one doesn't have cheese. That's a big ass burger. Like, I already took like how many bites, and look, I still have a lot left. So the burger's good. There's just nothing like extraordinary about it. Like, it's as if I was eating McDonald's or something. I'm sorry, Texas. So let me go ahead and open the chicken. Yeah, so this is the WHATABURGer spicy chicken sandwich. Y'all know every fast food restaurant has a chicken sandwich now, so I was like, I have to try it. It looks very, very crispy. And it has tomatoes, lettuce, mayo, and that's about it. But yeah, the chicken looks pretty crispy. Let's try it. Mmm. Look at the spiciness. It's like inside the chicken. The mayo is very drippy. Jesus. Mm-mm. Okay, now this one is good. Oh my god, it's dripping everywhere. Ah! Sheesh. Now this one I will get again. It is so juicy. Like, besides, you know, maybe this is not even mayo. It's some other type of sauce they put on it, because look how drippy it is. But the chicken is actually really, really juicy. Like, it's not leaking, but it's really juicy. So this restaurant actually opened yesterday on Monday. I came and it said it was supposed to be open at 11. I got here at 11:30, and what a mistake, because I should have been here at 10:30. Dude, the freaking line was huge. It was huge. I was all the way in the back of the line, and I was literally there for like 40 minutes, and we barely even moved. Like, literally barely. And at that time, I was really hungry. I was like, let me be patient and wait in line just like everyone else. I tried for 40 minutes. And then I was like, I'm done. So yesterday I just gave up and I went somewhere else to eat. So today's Tuesday, which is when I'm gonna post this, and there was still a big ass line, but I did notice there was like 3 entrances, but the middle one no one really knew about it because you had to go like through the plaza. So there I go. So I was able to cut like a bunch of people, and I'm like, yeah. So it actually wasn't that bad. I was maybe in line for like 20 minutes, but really I was like, okay, I don't care if I have to wait like a whole hour. Like, I'm getting this damn food. Like, this is the second time I'm here and I'm not leaving without it. So I did this for you guys, so make sure y'all like this video. Whoa. Their dipping sauce are so good. They had like honey barbecue, honey mustard, they had buffalo, they had a bunch of sauces. Y'all know cold fries are not the best, but with the sauce, I could eat them. Yeah, and yesterday it was hell over here. Like, people were cutting, people were honking. The thing is, the area is pretty busy, so some people weren't even going to that restaurant, but they were stuck there. Because like I said, the line came out into the street. So, oh no. I swear, this is clean for once, but now I get my sleeve dirty. But yeah, people were doing like illegal turns and driving in the wrong side of the street. And you know what? I saw this video of this page from here in Atlanta. I think it's called Georgia Official, and they put like Georgia news and stuff like that, and someone had recorded the line at 1:30 in the morning, and that line was still on the outside in the main street. I'm like, damn, because it is a 24-hour restaurant and the line was still long. The mustard definitely gives it some flavor, and it kind of reminds me of like Burger King. This is actually the first time that I try a triple meat burger. I know Wendy's has it. I'm not sure if McDonald's and Burger King, but so let me go ahead and rate these burgers. The chicken one, I'll give this a 10. This thing was really good, and it actually has pickles too. I didn't see it at first. This is actually really good and nice and juicy, and the texture of the chicken's really good. The inside's soft, the outside's crispy. And the triple burger, I will give this an 8. I feel like the meat can have like a lot more flavor to it, and the patties are kind of thin, so I could just imagine like a single patty on a burger. That's gonna be pretty sad burger. So and the fries that used to be here, I'll give these a 7, a 8. I mean, there's nothing crazy about them. They're just regular fries with salt. So, and then the onion rings, if I didn't wait so long, I'm sure they would have been a little more crispier. But the batter, the fried thing around it is actually really good. Oh no, there's the security mall going by. I'm actually parked outside of a mall. I'm even parked wrong in the parking lot. Okay, he went that way. He don't care about me. He know I'm trying to do this mukbang for you guys. Anyways, the onion rings, I'll actually give those a 10. They were actually really good flavor. But with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button. That way you guys get notified every time I post a new video. Give your girl a big thumbs up and leave a comment or an emoji down below. And I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.